This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening VS Code with a project folder, then position yourself to change the layout. Once done, use the View menu or press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette and type View, toggle, or search for specific panels. Make sure to enable any extensions that affect layout before rearranging. You want the editor, sidebar, panel, and activity bar visible so you can move them. This first step gets all pieces ready for splitting and docking. Now you split and arrange the editor groups to match your workflow. You can press Ctrl+/ or right-click a File tab and choose Split Right or Split Down. Once split, drag tabs between groups to organize tasks. Use the command palette to run View, toggle Editor Group Layout to switch between columns and rows. Also drag the panel up or down from the bottom to the right to transform layout. This gives you multiple focused areas and preserves window state while you keep working. To finish, save your workspace so the layout persists across sessions by choosing File right arrow Save Workspace as and keeping that file with your project. If something looks off, use View right arrow Appearance right arrow Reset Editor Layout to restore defaults. Make sure to restart VS Code after a reset. If persistent problems occur, disable recently added extensions, check settings. JSON for layout overrides, and then restart. One key troubleshooting tip. You can open a clean window, Ctrl+Shift+N, to verify whether extensions or settings caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.